Let me guess. You slept 7, maybe even 8 hours, but you still woke up tired. Your alarm went off, you stared at the ceiling, you checked your phone for 1 minute, suddenly it was 20 minutes later, and you're thinking, why am I still exhausted? Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most students don't have a sleep length problem, they have a sleep quality problem, and once you fix that, you don't need more sleep. But first, let me tell you why sleeping longer might actually be making things worse. We've all heard it. Sleep 8 hours. Anything less is unhealthy. Sounds responsible, but it's incomplete because sleep isn't a charger. You don't just plug in for 8 hours and wake up at 100%. Sleep works in cycles, about 90 minutes each, and if you wake up in the wrong part of a cycle, you feel like a zombie, even after 9 hours. That's why sometimes you sleep 5 hours and feel okay, and other times you sleep 8 and feel dead. So the real question isn't how long did you sleep, it's where did you wake up in your sleep cycle? And this is where things get interesting. Here's something most schools never teach you. Your brain loves multiples of 90 minutes, so instead of aiming for 8 hours, try this. 6 hours, 4 cycles, 7.5 hours, 5 cycles, 9 hours, 6 cycles. Not random numbers, they're cycle-friendly. But here's the catch. This only works if you fall asleep on time, and most students don't. Why? Because of one small habit we all pretend isn't a big deal: your phone. But don't worry, I'm not going to tell you to just stop using it. There's a smarter way. It's not just blue light, it's mental stimulation. You're in bed, lights off, but your brain is reading messages, watching videos, comparing your life to strangers. Your body is tired, your brain is wide awake. So you lie there, thinking, scrolling, overthinking tomorrow. Then you fall asleep late and wake up mid-cycle. That's the real damage. So instead of quitting your phone, do this. Create a mental landing. Not a strict rule, a transition. And this one change alone can fix half your sleep problems. Let me explain. Before bed, your brain needs to slow down, so create a 30-minute landing zone. During this time, no intense content, no arguments, no one last video. You can still use your phone, but differently. Examples: calming music, low brightness podcast, notes app journaling, boring YouTube videos you've already seen.